Hi, this is Paul for the Pond Guy, here to show you how to perform maintenance on the SimplyClear Pressurized Filtration system. The SimplyClear filter requires minimal attention throughout the season. However, over the course of the year, the UV bulb and filter media pads degrade and become less and less effective. To ensure your pond water stays crystal clear, we recommend replacing the UV bulb and filter media once per year. The tools and items you will need to complete the maintenance are a No. 2 Phillips screwdriver, a replacement UV bulb, a soft damp cloth, a replacement quartz sleeve if yours is damaged or cracked, and replacement filter media pads. Before performing any maintenance, always unplug your pump and SimplyClear filter from the power source. First, lift the filter cap from the top of the filter. Next, twist the UV to unlock it from the filter top. Then, remove the screw securing the compression nut. Now, unscrew the compression nut and gently pull out the quartz sleeve. Then, pull gently on the base of the UV bulb to remove it. Now insert the new bulb, taking care not to touch the bulb, as the oils from your hands can cause damage. Be sure to transfer the rubber protective cap from your old bulb onto the new one. Now clean the quartz sleeve with a soft cloth or sponge. You may find the use of an equipment cleaner helpful in removing debris. The quartz sleeve should be cleaned yearly or when water clarity is reduced. If the quartz sleeve is scratched, damaged, or cracked, it must be replaced. Now reinstall the O-ring, quartz sleeve, compression nut, and screw to lock into place. Finally, insert the UV back into the filter top. Twist to lock into place and replace the filter cap. To replace the filter media pads, first lift the filter cap from the filter and unscrew the handle. Then unhook the 4 latches securing the filter top and remove. Next, separate the filter media base and discard the worn filter media pads. Note, there are 2 black O-rings that will need to stay on the rod. Replace the media, keeping the pads in the same order as the ones you removed. Now slide the rod back into the filter top and secure it by screwing the handle back on. It may be helpful to slightly compress the filter media to expose more of the rod through the filter top. Next, replace the filter top onto the filter canister. Be sure the filter O-ring is properly seated and secure it with the filter clamps. Finally, place the filter cap back on top. If you live in a colder climate, the SimplyClear G2 pressurized filter should not be operated during freezing temperatures and should be disconnected, drained, cleaned, and stored for the winter. For more expert tips, visit us online at thepondguy.com or give us a call at 866-POND-HELP.